Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about Hey, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to find only fixed price jobs on Upwork. Why would you want to know how to find only fixed price jobs on Upwork? Well, maybe it is your first time using Upwork and not sure how to find only fixed price jobs on Upwork. So today I am going to show you how to find only fixed price jobs on Upwork. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If you are willing to see only fixed price jobs on Upwork and don't know how you can do that, the process is very simple. First of all, open any browser. Now write upwork.com in search bar. Now you are seeing search bar. Click on it without typing anything. Now you are seeing filters in left corner. In job types section, select fixed price. You can also select fixed budget jobs as well. There you go. If you wanted to know how to find only fixed price jobs on Upwork, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to leave a comment below, be sure to subscribe for more videos.